welcome to another Smiling Colors video. In today's video, let's learn how to make a tassel from yarn. These tassels will look beautiful on a scarf, blanket, or even on a bookmark. You'll need a piece of cardboard, and I've trimmed this to be 6 1/4 by 3.5 inches in size. So you want to hold your yarn end with your left hand thumb, hold it in place, and then just wrap the yarn around the cardboard. I'm going to wrap it about 15 to 20 times, and then you just want to trim off the edge, and you're ready to tie the tassel now. So I'm using a contrasting colored yarn here, but you can use the same colored yarn if you want. Insert the yarn under all of the yarn that we've wrapped on the cardboard, slide it all the way to the top, and you want it underneath the top edge, and then you tie a knot firmly into place. You want to tie 1 or 2 knots and make it really tight so that the top is held together nicely. Then you just simply slide the tassel off of the cardboard. Okay, now we trim off the tail, the contrasting yarn tail that we left on the top. I like to leave about 4 inches, so you want to have two 4-inch tails over there, and that is going to be where the tassel hangs off of. Now you want to wrap the contrasting yarn about 1/2 inch to 1 inch below where we tied it, and just wrap it around a couple of times. You can use the same colored yarn, you can use a contrasting colored yarn. This is just to give that little ball head to the tassel. You're going to then cut the yarn and tuck it in firmly, make a knot of it, make sure it's all held together nicely. So now the last step, you want to kind of comb the tassel down with your fingers, and if you want to, you can actually make the yarn a little more fluffier at this point. Then you want to press down your left palm against the yarn, hold everything together, and then use a nice long pair of scissors to trim that bottom edge. And I think this one turned out really cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think of today's tassel tutorial. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Make sure to stop by my blog smilingcolors.com for more videos and tutorials. Happy crafting, friends!